Hi, I'm Ryder Stalish. I'm the founder and CEO of Thrive Courses Studio. We are based here in San Francisco Bay Area. And this message is for any business owner, manager, HR manager, no matter what position you are that involves training your people better. I would like to talk to you directly. I founded this company about 5 years ago. It depends really when you watch this video. And we've been helping people and companies create beautiful online training programs so that they can train their people faster and better. Right now, you probably have some sort of trainings already going on. Maybe you have some trainings online, some trainings in person. What we do, we help you streamline your trainings and we turn your trainings into digital products so that when someone joins your team or when someone changes roles and they need to learn new skills, we help you train them faster and better. And most importantly, you can track how they're doing, where they are in their progress. Also, if they have any questions at some point they feel stuck and they don't have the answers, we have such a beautiful system in the back end where they can find the answers they're looking for. So if you've been looking to, you know there's got to be a better way to train, you know that you may be falling behind a little bit to your competition, they're moving just faster, they're advancing faster. I can guarantee the reason they're moving faster and advancing more than your company, it really simple comes down to this. It's training your people better. So if this sparks your interest and you'd like to learn more, I'd suggest that you book a call, schedule a free consultation, and we would love to sit down and see how we can package all your trainings, all the knowledge, all the information you have in beautiful e-learning products, and if necessary, help you build your back end, how we deliver that content to your organization. So again, if that sparks your interest, click that link, book a call, and we cannot wait to work with you. Thank you very much.